Hello, my name is Monica. I'm the founder and the director of Mystique Training Academy and Mystique Lashes. Welcome to our website. We're here to provide you with the most amazing training that's absolutely bespoke and accredited. We have many courses that go through beginners courses, advanced courses, which includes Russian volume and mega volume, and we also have business courses and VIP extras, which include mentoring and workshops. There is a lot of knowledge in here that we want to be sharing with you. If you considered doing courses in eyelash extensions and you don't know where to go, please read our website, please get in touch. There is a lot that we can offer you. There is a starter pack that you'll be getting with your courses. You'll be getting, obviously if you're doing lash extension courses, you'll be getting your lashes, all your tools, all the books and beautiful manuals. There is many things that you'll get with you to take away home and start working with. If you need any more support after the training, we're always here. The support is unlimited. You can always contact us. You can book all our courses through our website. All the information is there provided for you because we believe in transparency and we want to give you as much as we can to make the best choice for you and for your career. We also designed it in a way that you don't just have to attend group courses, you can have your individual VIP training where you can just contact the trainer directly and agree the time that suits you, and that doesn't have to be liaised with anyone else. Also, our company provides you with finance. So if money is something that has been stopping you from growing your business and developing or just starting, then this is the time where you can actually cross that off your list and start working now. The company that we partnered with has a very easy few-step questionnaire that you can complete, and after this you'll be able to find out whether you have been accepted for finance and you can start training straight away. If you have any questions or want to know any information about our courses, please get in touch.